Hello Universe, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this Ruffles turban. One of my subscribers sent this picture to me and I decided to teach this particular design on my channel. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, for this project, I'll be using raw silk fabric. And for the picture she sent to me, the material used there is mesh net. So for this particular one I'll be using raw silk, and the length of this fabric measures 27 inches by 20 inches width. 27 inches by 20 inches width. You can see the way I marked out 2 inches gap, 2 inches, 2 inches. I'll be using this for pleated all back. Okay, so I'm going to mark 2 inches. Please go to my channel and watch this particular video. It will give you a guide on how to form your pleated turban cap. Okay, I won't be showing it here, so this video will not be too long. So this is the outcome of my pleated all back turban, so you can see the way it looks. All right, the design for the fabric for the design, I'll be using this long fabric. I'll be using the length of the raw silk, so you can use a full length of your material when you get it, and the length measures 58 inches by 6 inches width. 58 inches by 6 inches width. And I cut out 3 pieces. All right, so I'll be taking the edge of this fabric which I cut out. I'll be folding it this way, and I'll take it to my sewing machine and I'll sew it down. I will do same thing to the other 3. All right, I also cut out these pieces. It measures 12 inches by 2.5 inches width. 12 inches by 2.5 inches width. The part that measures 12 inches, guys, is not stretchy. Okay, so that part that measures 12 inches is not stretchy. So I'll be folding in this way. You can see the way I folded in. After folding it, you're going to sew with your sewing machine down. Whatever you'll be doing to this fabric, you'll be doing to that too. All right, so I'm done sewing everything and you can see the outcome. All right, next thing I'll be doing now is to insert the small fabric, the one that measures 12 inches by 2.5 inches. I will be inserting it to this fabric this way. So guys, just watch the way I do this. So at this point, I'm going to sew this edge and the other side of it, okay? So you can see the outcome. I'm done sewing the 2 edges with my sewing machine, and I'll be doing this same thing to the other remaining 2 fabric. So once I'm done doing everything, I just adjust the edges and the ruffle, okay? All right, so guys, once I'm done adjusting everything, I'll be attaching this to my base. I already inserted my turban leaf to the base, so it will give it a fluffy look. Alright, and next thing I'll be doing is to start doing the attachment. So guys, just watch the way I'll be placing this to my turban. Once you locate the center of your turban, I'm going to place the loop, the ruffles this way, okay? Just watch and see the way I do the placement. Alright, I'm done using my pin. At the center part of this ruffles, I'll be using my candle gum to hold it down. So guys, I'm done with the gumming process. You have to use a needle and thread and tack here, tack this point, this point, this point. If I tack the whole thing down, the points I'm showing you, make sure you hold those specific points down so that it will be firm on the cap base, okay? So once I'm done tacking with a needle and thread, you also place the third one, which is the last ruffle on top of it. This is not a must though. If you're okay with those two that you already placed there, you can as well ignore this. But for me, I prefer adding the last plate so it will be more fluffy. So I'll be using my pin to give it a guide. And once I'm done pinning everything down, you also use a needle and thread to do the finishing point. You're going to tack with a needle and thread for firmness, okay? So at this point, I'm going to use your needle and thread to tack this one down to the center of that ruffles. Alright, I'm done doing mine, and you can see the way it looks. Please, if you have watched this level and you like what you are seeing, hit that like button, please. Okay, support your girl by hitting the like button, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be using this applique as well to these stones to beautify mine. You can get any stone of your type or any applique to design yours. Thanks for staying up to this time. See you next time.